Power infuses the flow of life with its radiance, and for this radiance at every household there is a three-phase electric meter. There is something that flows through the wires. Yes, it is current, a stream of electrons that gushes through the wire, and the force with which the current flows is voltage. High voltage, a commonly used term. It occurs when the driving force of electrons increases from the set permissible limit, and when the force is less than the set limit, it is low voltage. You know what? A brief increase in voltage for about 3 nanoseconds is called surge. And when it lasts for just 1 nanosecond, it's a spike. You won't even notice these, but your appliances do. What you see is an accustomed electrical setup in our home, with all appliances connected through MCB. Miniature circuit breaker functions only as a circuit breaker and restricts the current to pass through it only during overloading or short circuit. Overloading is not related to voltage fluctuation at all. It is the excessive flow of current due to demand generated by heavy-duty equipment. Similarly, short circuit is also not related to power fluctuation. It simply occurs due to a high current connection between two wires established accidentally. It can also be caused by a break in connection or when a non-insulated wire overlaps one another. In normal circumstances, when the current flows normally from 3-phase MCB to 16 ampere single-phase MCB, there is no tripping and no interruption in the current flow. But in case of overloading, our MCB trips, interrupting the current flow. Same happens during short circuits. MCB again trips and interrupts the flow of current. Well, when there is low voltage, high voltage, surges or spikes, our MCB fails to detect such fluctuations. It allows the frequency variations to pass through to the connected electrical appliance, and protection of appliances from voltage fluctuations is nowhere on the scene. When there is a surge in the flowing current, see what happens. Your TV goes kaput. And when there is high voltage flowing through, there will be sparks and the impact will be seen by you. Even low voltage can affect your appliance. Though your AC is connected to a stabilizer, it is not safe because a stabilizer during the step-up process generates spikes and surges. And these spikes and surges cause, another spark, another night of no sleep. We've got you a complete solution for problems caused by high voltage, low voltage, surges, spikes, and frequency variations. Guard yourself. It's your insurance against functionality deficits of MCB and stabilizer. Here's introducing
Power Guard.
Now, let's walk into an updated household setup we have up plugged in for appliance protection. Efficiently detects surges or spikes and restricts the current to flow to the electrical appliance. When there is even a slight fluctuation, it instantly cuts off supply to the appliance. And as the voltage condition is normal, it reconnects your TV. In case of high voltage, when the current flow increases, again disconnects your microwave, and as the voltage condition comes to normal, it reconnects the appliance. And when it's low voltage, again detects and disconnects your AC, and when the desired voltage is back, connects it to normal functioning. All your electric appliances can be utilized safely and efficiently because it is a cool solution. It's amazing to see the vast utility of this innovative nano device. These are all the appliances where the 6 ampere can be used most efficiently. As you can see, it is used almost everywhere. Whereas the 16 ampere is apt for heavy-duty equipment like all these appliances. You can get in two variants, 6 and 16 ampere, and both the variants have a zero voltage switching for protection and longevity of the product's life. It works on a microprocessor chip-based technology. It also has zero power consumption for intelligent working and conservation. It is self-reliant with no power consumption, reduces energy consumption by 11.5% without any extra cost, and it is also a microprocessor chip-based technology. Voltage cutoff display rescues appliances from fluctuation damages and displays the reading of cutoff points. It has an on-screen display technology. 6 ampere is equipped with universal plug-in. Any plug can be accommodated without assistance of adapters or incurring additional costs. It is portable and works on the technology of universal reception system. Another feature of 16 ampere is the aesthetically designed nano stabilizer that controls the voltage supply to heavy-duty appliances, protecting them from high and low voltage effects. It has nanotechnology with inbuilt intelligent voltage recognition systems. You choose what best suits you from the 3 vibrant shades of this amazing solution for voltage fluctuation. Life में हो no fluctuation,
Powergas
है perfect solution. Life की है no warranty, पर
Powergas
की है 100% replacement guarantee.
Powergas
Powered by Su-Kam, एक नई सोच.